This is a mountain gum. They look very similar to the manna gum. Here you can see the bark peeling off. It does this constantly. And so at the bottom of the tree you can find quite a lot of this bark lying around. Now I've recently collected some from here for kindling myself, which I store in my woodshed. So there's not as much here as there usually is, but there's enough for you to see. This makes excellent kindling. Now the only thing is, of course, is this is wet. It's been out in the wet. We can always check underneath. Down here we'd find some dry stuff again. But in dry weather, excellent kindling. This one isn't bleeding much, but the sap from the manna gum can actually be eaten. This, however, is a mountain gum, and it can't be eaten. Leastwise, it's not as tasty. I wasn't sure which tree this was, so I tried the gum myself, and it tastes pretty awful. So this is obviously a mountain gum and not a manna gum. The fallen tree still has the foliage on it, but the foliage is dead. The light misty rain here, as I can see it on the camera viewer, but this is pretty dry. There's plenty of it. Get a good blaze going with this. Black wattle. Excellent timber. Very often find these dead. Make beautiful firewood. Again, you can see the score wood lower on the tree where you can get at it. All dry. It burns very well. This timber, by the way, is good for making survival bows out of too. You can just simply take a limb and trim it up, make yourself a cordage bowstring, and away you go. Reeds. Again, out in the wind. I used some of these in the fire bow demonstration, in with the dried grass. You see, these are the flower heads. Great stuff.